Today's video, we're going to replace the lithium-ion battery pack in a TankScan pressure monitor. It would be the same procedure for the LP dial gauge reader monitor as well, as they both utilize the same head unit. Let's go ahead and get started. Note on the left and right hand side, you'll have two hex screws. Just take your time and go ahead and separate the base. Be mindful of the electrical connector, which you'll need to disconnect. Of course, the lithium battery pack should be right here. The wire connector will go ahead and disconnect. Remove the old battery. Replace the battery. Reconnect your wire harness. It is keyed, so there's only one way to reconnect it. One thing is the red gasket. You want to make sure that that remains in the groove. Be careful with that. Make sure it is seated. Reconnect the main wire harness. It is keyed. We'll only reconnect the correct alignment. Mindful not to disturb that gasket. Seated in place. Tighten your screws down. And of course, once this is complete, be sure to let the TankScan support team make them aware so they can verify device transmission to the cloud.